In this video, I'll show you 5 tools that together would cost you over $500 a month, and the free AI alternatives that do the same job, sometimes even better. I've tested all of them personally, and the results blew me away. Stay until the end, because tool number 5 is the one most people completely overlook. Let's get into it. First up, copywriting. If you're running an online business or a YouTube channel, you need a lot of content. Blog posts, video scripts, email newsletters, product descriptions, social media captions, it never ends. Tools like Jasper were built specifically for this and charge $49 a month just to help you write. But here's the thing, Claude and ChatGPT do all of this for free, and honestly, they're better. You just describe what you need, and in seconds you get a full script, a complete email sequence, or an entire blog post. I use Claude to write every single script for this channel. And it's not just speed, the quality is genuinely impressive. Claude understands context, writes in different tones, and can adapt to any niche. Need a casual Instagram caption? Done. A formal business email? Done. A 10-minute YouTube script? Done in under a minute. The best part? You don't need any technical skills. No prompting experience, no learning curve. Just open the website, type what you need, and copy the result. It really is that simple. Watch how fast this works. You type one sentence and get a full YouTube script in under 30 seconds. No monthly fee, no word limits, no upsells, just results. That's $49 a month back in your pocket, just from this one tool. Next, voiceovers. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel, you need a professional voice. Hiring a real voice actor costs hundreds of dollars per video. Tools like Murf charge $29 a month for AI voices that sound robotic and flat. ElevenLabs is completely different. They have a free plan with voices so realistic, most viewers can't tell it's AI. You pick a voice, paste your script, hit generate, and in 20 seconds you have a broadcast quality voiceover. No microphone, no soundproofing, no editing required. The voice you're hearing right now, that's ElevenLabs. I generated this entire voiceover for free. And with the free plan, you get enough minutes every month to produce multiple videos. There are dozens of voices to choose from. Male, female, different accents, different styles. Calm and professional for tutorials. Energetic and punchy for ads. Deep and authoritative for documentaries. Whatever your channel needs, there's a voice for it. And the process is incredibly simple. You open the website, paste your script, click generate, and download the file. That's literally 4 steps to a professional voiceover. No technical skills needed, no equipment, no studio time. Just clean, professional audio every single time. That's $29 a month saved, just like that. Number 3, design. Every YouTube video needs a thumbnail. Every business needs graphics, social posts, banners, presentations, ads. Adobe charges $55 a month. Canva Pro is $13 a month. And most beginners just skip design altogether because it feels too complicated and too expensive. But Canva's free plan is incredibly powerful. You get thousands of templates, drag and drop editing, and AI-powered design tools built right in. For YouTube thumbnails especially, you just pick a template, swap the text and image, and you're done in under 2 minutes. And here's what makes it special. You don't need any design experience. Every template is already professionally designed. You just customize the colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. It takes minutes, not hours. Anyone can do this on their very first try. Professional designers charge $50 per thumbnail. With Canva, you do it yourself in 2 minutes for free. If you post 3 videos a week, that's $600 a month in design costs completely eliminated. That number is honestly shocking when you think about it. The free plan covers everything you need to get started. Thumbnails, channel art, social media posts, presentation slides, all in one place, all for free. That's $55 a month saved on Adobe alone. Fourth, video editing. This used to require expensive software and years of learning. Premiere Pro costs $55 a month. Descript charges $24 a month and markets itself as the easiest AI video editor. And it is easy, but CapCut is free and does almost everything Descript does. and more. Auto subtitles in one click, background removal, AI voiceover, hundreds of templates, speed controls, transitions, color correction, and it's completely free. I edit every single video on this channel in CapCut. Here's what makes it special for beginners. You don't need to learn anything complicated. The interface is clean, the tools are intuitive, and the AI features do most of the heavy lifting for you. Auto subtitles alone save at least 30 minutes per video, and they're surprisingly accurate, even with fast speech or technical terms. The mobile app is just as powerful as the desktop version, so if you're traveling or away from your computer, you can still edit a full video from your phone. That flexibility is something even paid tools don't always offer. Here's my exact workflow. I import the voiceover, add the stock footage, click auto subtitles, adjust the style, add background music, and export. The whole process takes under an hour. Descript charges $24 a month for the same result. CapCut charges nothing. That's $24 a month saved, and honestly, the results are just as good. And finally, scheduling. If you're posting on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, you need to plan ahead. Consistency is everything on social media. Miss a few days and your reach drops dramatically. Buffer is the go-to tool for this and charges $18 a month just to schedule posts in advance. Meta Business Suite does this for free. You connect your Instagram and Facebook accounts, write your caption, upload your image or video, pick a date and time, and it posts automatically. No third-party app, no monthly fee, completely free. TikTok Studio does the exact same thing for TikTok, also completely free. So between Meta Business Suite and TikTok Studio, you cover your 3 biggest platforms without paying a single dollar. And it's not just scheduling. Meta Business Suite also gives you detailed analytics, reach, engagement, follower growth, best posting times. All the data you need to grow your audience, completely free. Buffer charges extra for these insights. Meta just gives them to you. The best part is how simple the interface is. Even if you've never used a scheduling tool before, you'll figure it out in under 10 minutes. No tutorials needed, no complicated setup. That's $18 a month saved. And when you add it all up, every tool in this video together saves you over $150 every single month. So let's do the math. Jasper at $49, Murf at $29, Adobe at $55, Descript at $24, Buffer at $18. That's $175 a month, or over $2,000 a year. Everything I just showed you, completely free. If this video saved you money, hit like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more videos like this every week, and comment below, which tool are you most excited to try? See you in the next one.